Have you ever been bottlenecked by your network speed, whether it be your internet or your internal network? I know how you feel. We have all been there. I don't know how to fix your internet speed, but I can definitely help you to speed up your internal network. This is Saisman Shojib and you're watching how to cheaply speed up your internal network. So let's start. The average internet speed of Bangladesh is 28 megabits per second download and 1.3 megabits per second upload. It actually depends on your ISP and a lot of variables, so I'm not going to talk about those in this video. So if your internet speed is around this, then this process won't speed up your internet or anything. It will just speed up your internal network. So don't think this is a way to speed up the internet. There is no cheap way to speed up the internet as far as I know. But if you know, let me know in the comment section below. I will gladly like to experiment that. First of all, I'm to start with clearing up that the video is not for everyone. This is for a very small group of people who have file servers in their home and continuously copies file to and fro from the server to their PC. So yeah, and who have a weak internal network. For those people, I don't think this will help most of my audience, but if it helps you, then good luck. You can learn new stuff from here, but if you're butthurt by the irrelevant of this video, then move on. So most of our home network is 10 by 100 megabits per second, whose theoretical highest speed is 100 megabits per second or around 12.5 megabytes per second. So that's it. But if we compare that to a normal spinning hard drive of 7200 rpm, the average read and write speed is around 100 megabytes per second. So it's around 8 times lower than the normal hard drive speed. So yeah, it's bottlenecking your files transfer. So if you need speed, then you should upgrade to a Gigabit network, which is also known as 10 by 100 by 1000 megabits per second. Its theoretical speed is around 1000 megabits per second or 1 gigabit per second or 125 megabytes per second, which is faster than the normal spinning hard drives. So yeah, that might help. Till now, people think that Gigabit network is expensive and stuff, but it's actually not. You can get cheap PCIe LAN cards for around $3 from eBay, and most of them are new. So yeah, but actually the switches are kind of expensive, so we are gonna ditch that. For this process, we will need 2 PCIe LAN cards. You can snag them from eBay. I'm gonna give a link down below, you can go and check that, or you can find something like that. And we will need a Cat5e Ethernet cable, which is long enough to connect your NAS and your computer. So, and we will need nothing else. So yeah, let's move on. Now it's pretty simple. You will have to install the PCIe LAN cards in the NAS server and your PC. Then you'll have to connect those PCIe LAN cards with that Cat5e cable I just mentioned before. Then you'll have to boot up your Windows or whatever, then change the IP address. You'll have to manually give it some static IP address because there is no router between them, so they won't get IP addresses easily, and the routing will be a bit complicated, so you'll have to manually assign IP addresses. So go to your settings and you'll have to assign an IPv4 IP address. Make sure that the first 3 parts of the IP addresses are same. In my case, they are 192.168, and dot, there's the 4th part. In that 4th part, you'll have to give 2 different IPs to different PCs. Like the NAS server will have something else than the main PC. The range of that is from 0 to 255, so good luck. Now you'll have to just test your gigabit speed. If the speed is around 100 megabytes per second, then you're good to go, but if it's not, then there might be some other problem. You can go to the S-Cube group and ask me about your problems. I can help you troubleshoot that. You can see the link of the group down in the description. So voila, you got a gigabit network. Now you can copy your network files at a much faster speed, around 10 times faster than before, and the bottleneck will be your hard drive instead of the internet. So yeah, that makes sense, I guess. So for your convenience, you can edit your host's files and assign that IP address and give it a name, so that will be easy for you to search the server, I guess. So thank you for watching my video. This is Sakiswan Shorty. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section down below. Please like the video if you liked it, share this with your friends if you think they need that, and peace out, I guess.